What's up YouTube? Super excited for this video because in this one I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing without a website and you can make money online. So most of you always ask questions. I get emails, I got people messaging me on Instagram, people on TikTok, and also here on YouTube. And one of the biggest questions that they always ask, Andre, I don't have a lot of money. I want to start affiliate marketing. What is the most cheapest or most economical way I can get started with a little bit of money? Or some people have no money, and I totally get it. Not everybody have money to really start an online business. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you could do affiliate marketing without a website and make money online. Now, the method that I'm going to show you, it is worldwide. I know I'm probably going to mention some platforms that don't work for some people. However, you can take the same concept and you can find alternatives. And when you do find alternatives, it's just going to be the same thing. Once it comes down to affiliate marketing is worldwide and you can do it from anywhere. But most people try a platform, they sign up, they can't get on, and then they get frustrated. Just find an alternative. Pretty simple. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. Make sure you like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if it's your first time here, drop your country down below so that way I know where you're watching my video from. And for the people who always watch my videos consistently, the ones that as soon as you see the bell notification, you rush on over here to watch my video, I appreciate you so much. So again, how to make money online and how to do affiliate marketing without a website. So we're going to go to a particular platform or software that you could go and you could sign up for free. Yes, Aweber, they launched their free platform for the first 500 subscribers. That means the first 500 people that input their email onto your platform, you can get started right away. And I want you to stay with me all the way to the end because I'm going to show you a hack where you can do this for a lifetime. And then when you start making money, then you could start paying for their services. So make sure you stick to the end because I'm going to share that with you. All right. So sign up. It is absolutely free. And once you sign up for this particular platform, you put your first name, put your last name, email address, and you just sign up. I'm going to leave a link down below if you want to sign up through my link. That's totally okay. If you want to just go to the website, that's all right. You could just go there. But if you want to sign up through my link, I would appreciate it. I'm going to leave the link down below. So later on, when you start making money and you start paying for the service, of course, I'm going to get compensated for it. That's how it works. So when you sign up for this, what you're going to be doing, you're going to go over to, you're going to sign up, you're going to go directly into your account. So as soon as you get into your account, these are the different, the different platform that you can use that you can build your website. So website, I know some people, they have WordPress, they have all that type of stuff. And you don't need to have a website to have a lot of different things. You just need to create a funnel that you're going to traffic people through to go through the system for them to make a decision at the end, which is purchasing. So as you can see the dashboard, you just click on where it says landing page, and they come out with a brand new thing that you could create landing pages. So if you look at some of these landing pages, they're so beautiful, they're so pretty, they're clean. They look professional than most top companies that you're paying for right now. And I'm still using them. I use this. I still use my top company because it's great. I'm not going to switch out my funnel. But if you're brand new and you don't have a lot of money, I would recommend this. Just come on over here, see? And they're going to be given, they're going to put out more stuff. So let's say if you want to create a blog, you can create a blog platform. So if you want to do blogging, you could do blog. If you want to sell a product, you could set up the product. If you want to do a product promotion, you want to sell exclusive content, virtual class schedule. So the reason why they're coming out with this, because they know a lot of people are going online right now. People are coming up with different ways. If you want to sell your own course, you can set up a template and you can set up your own course. If you got a webinar you want to put together, if you got a brand new book that you want to write and you want to create a template as well, personal consultation, thank you page, all that. Okay. So how we're gonna build this? We're gonna create it just by a simply opt-in. They also have a store as well. So this is called the link list, and the reason why I chose the link list is because you can add multiple links to this. You can add multiple. Let me click on choose the platform. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to log in. So let me log in real quick. Not sure what's going on here. All right, let me just log in real quick, and then we go landing pages. Okay. All right. So create a landing page. You click on here, and it's gonna give you the different ones. So the link list. Once you click on the link list, it's just gonna open up. Just like that, it's easy to design. You can add videos, you can add image, right? You can add text, button, form, social media, all that stuff divider. So here you could change your picture. So if you want to change your picture, all you have to do is just click on the next, grab an image from here, right? So you can click on, grab an image. So if you want to put it right there, you want to remove that round picture, you can if you want to, but let me just delete this one. But you could change this out. Here is where you're going to put your links. All right, so you're going to put your URL right in here. So you can put your URL, so let's say you want to shop with a store. Shop at my store, check out my previews, check out my website, what I'm listening to, and subscribe. So people can subscribe to your newsletter. You're going to collect their emails, and you're going to move them along. So for most of you, if you want to do affiliate marketing, you can always head on over to ClickBank. And we're going to find a few different products that we're going to promote. So let's say we want to promote a health products. Health product, weight loss, we could choose one of these. Choose one. Right? Once you choose one of these, then you're going to be good. Likewise, you can choose, you just grab, let's go with Lip to Connect. You grab your affiliate link. You can choose the one without the headline and everything. You can click on create hop link. And once you create this hop link, you just copy it. We always want to test the link and see what it looks like. And then once you do that, it's just going to populate. This is what it looks like. This is a ClickBank product, right? It is a ClickBank product. People would prefer read. They can watch the video if they want. So we grab the affiliate link. We head on over here. So what if you want to, let's get some description from this. Gonna get some description. So it's Lip to Connect. It's probably a weight loss product, but you always want to do your research to see what it is. And you can click on it to check out their VSL. Okay. Is this fat blaster brain molecule the key to shocking weight loss? So it is a weight loss product. So you can go and search the reviews on this particular product, see if it's something that you personally want to promote yourself. If not, you can just go back to the marketplace and go through and see if there's things that you'll actually promote. So let's say you're going to promote that Lip to Connect. And for example, you want to type in weight loss products. Type in weight loss products. And then now you're going to put your link right here. Okay, so you can click on preview so you could see it. So if I click on this, it's going to take me directly there. So you see that? Pretty cool. So you don't really need a website to do affiliate marketing. You could change this out. You could say weight loss product. You could say weight loss product. You could say affiliate marketing products. You could say, different things if you want to promote different things at the same time. And you want to say subscribe to my newsletter, you could do that as well, right? So this is how you could set up affiliate marketing without a particular website. So sign up for this, and then you could just add your links on here. Add your links there, and then it's time for you to start to promote. So even if you come over here, there's coaching consulting, there's about me page, there's consultation, there's simple signups. So you could set it up however you want it. Now, once you set it up, now it's time for you to promote. You can promote it on various things. So for people in the weight loss or the affiliate marketing area, you could go and take your link. Once you get that link, you then go and share it. You could share it on Quora. You could take it to, you could create reviews on YouTube. You can create an Instagram account as well, and you could build on it. So I just wanted to share with you this tool that you can collect your emails. You can go out there and you could start to promote it. So that's how you make money online. That's how you do affiliate marketing without a website, by creating funnels using Aweber, because it's free. It is super free for the first 500 subscribers. And when you start making money, right? When you start making money, then what you could do, you can then invest into more. As I told you before about the special hack that you can use where you don't have to pay for it until you get it. So as soon as you get to, let's say, 450 subscribers, most of the subscribers that are not opening your email, because it's going to show, if they're not going to open up your email, they're not reading it over, let's say, the first month, 2-3 months, there are people who are not interested, then you can just, delete those people from your email list. But I personally don't do that unless people unsubscribe. So the one that unsubscribe from my list, I delete him. So I have to keep my list healthy. So people who don't open it for like 6 months, I go in and then I delete it. But I just take them out of there because they're not really opening the email and they're just heavyweight. So I just delete them off my list. So hope this video helped. I didn't want to make it too long, but I wanted to keep it under 13-15 minutes. I hope you do enjoy this video. Remember to like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and I'll catch you on the next video. The name is Andre. Peace.